What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here opening my monthly or January oh my god, what's it called? Quirky crate. Oh, look how cute. These are seriously, they have my favorite packaging. I'm trying not to peek. I'm the worst. I'll show you guys real quick. There's a little pamphlet. And the first thing I see in here, I love girls support girls. I think this is like a little, I was gonna say a piece of art, like something you can hang, you know what I mean? I don't think it's like a postcard or anything. The next thing is an adorable love patch. It's like one of those ones that looks crocheted and it's all like fuzzy feeling. Freaking adorable. What the heck are these? Oh my god. These are adorable little love capsules. I think you can open them, write a note on that little paper, somehow roll it back up and stick it back in. For love notes only, do not digest. The next thing I see in here is a pin that says adventure awaits on a cute little globe. And then there are, I probably say every video for Quirky Crate, they always have a pair of socks, a pin, and a patch for sure. And these are the socks this month. I feel like this has to be January. I'm pretty sure this is January's box. And they're like in preparation for Valentine's Day, which I don't mind. It's adorable. The next thing I'm seeing, what is this? I don't know what it is, but it looks adorable. Fred-O-Vision Retro Mood Light Alarm Clock. What is this? It's so freaking cute. Ugh, I think you have to charge it. Really want to show you guys. Oh fucking god. Guys. Look at this purse. Oh my god. A freaking flamingo purse with little dangly legs. How adorable is this? My baby shower was 2 years ago, was flamingo themed, so I'm pretty obsessed with this. That is the most precious little purse I've seen. And the last thing in here is a little box. Let's see. A bracelet. Cute. It's a necklace. Aww. It's a little rainbow necklace. I feel like every time I open a Quirky Crate, I say how adorable everything is, but as you can see, everything is freaking precious. There we go. That's it so far. I mean, so far, that's it, but I really want to open this and show you guys what it is. I don't even know what it looks like. So the Fred-O-Vision Retro Alarm Clock is $24. Flamingo Crossbody is only $18. That's not bad. The pin is $10. Heartbreaker socks are $7. This necklace was $12. The little love note pills is $3.50. The art print here was $12, and the patch, it says love patch greeting card, is $8.50. Is this a card? Oh, it is. Oh my god, mine was moved, so I didn't realize that it was a card. So it's like a little card like this. I love you. Nothing on the inside, and then the back has all these cute little drawings on it. It's a cute card, but I really want the patch for myself, so I can give it to my boyfriend and be like, oh, thank you. I will take the patch back. So back to the prices. The value is at $95, and I think with shipping and all that, it comes out to like 40 bucks a month. I am a cheap person, so like 40 a month, I'm like, I don't know if I should keep doing it, but I can't help it. Like, you see this stuff, it's freaking adorable. Alright y'all, we're opening this thing. It needs batteries. So there's like a plug on the back that you can plug something into, but it doesn't come with a wire. So, like, you can also put batteries in there. Is that just an option? But do you have to go buy that or find one like that? I don't know. So I couldn't find batteries, but I realized that this plug works with my record player. So I plugged it in and it turned red and it was like, and then it freaking made like it popped. And now like something's in there and it smells like burnt plastic. I think I literally just fried it somehow. I don't know what happened. Well, that's sad. I hope someone else has a video of this so I can see what theirs looks like. So that's it for this month's Quirky Crate. Yeah. If you could, hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.